Stay to the end and you'll see why safety gear is so important. This skill no one talks about is a fundamental of all skating. Skaters use it to turn, corner, jump, spin, even just rolling in a straight line. You're using this technical skill. Chances are you're doing them without realising, but if you learn to control them, your skating will easily level up. In fact, you're watching them right now. Do you know what it is? So the thing we're talking about today is edges. Now there are two types of edges, an inside edge and an outside edge, and they are absolutely crucial to your skating. As soon as you start to skate, you're doing an edge of some sort. If you've been learning bubbles, you've been doing inside edges, and if you've been learning a plough stop, you've been doing an outside edge. So when a lot of skaters are starting out, they'll say, when I try and balance on one foot, my skate pulls to the inside or the outside or the left or the right. And that is because you're not controlling your edges. You might need to loosen your trucks or tighten your trucks, which you've covered before, but a lot of it is building up the muscle to control it so you can feel your weight is dead over the ball of your foot. Then you have edge control. So when you're trying to get control of your edge, think about keeping that line down your body and put your knee over your toe, and that will help with your balance. So now you have control of your edge and you can skate straight. We're going to intentionally lean on an outside edge. So to do an outside edge, you want to lean on your little toe. So let's first of all do the balance. So we're doing nice and straight, and then you're just going to put the weight on your little toe. And you do an edge. Let's do it one more time. So I'm balancing and then little toe, and I go to the left on an outside edge. So now we're going to do lots of outside edges in a row. So if I do my first one, then I bring my feet back together and go again. So just leaning on the little toe each time, and that's my outside edge. These are great because once you get control of them, you can spin, you can do all sorts of moves, and it just makes everything easier. You can do anything. So the inside edge is the exact same concept of the outside edge, but this time we're going to lean on the big toe. So you've got your edge control, so balance straight, and then just lean on the big toe. And you're going to curve to the left. So let's try it on the other foot as well. Balance and curve on the big toe. And exactly the same as the outsides, you can do these one after the other, so I'll show you that as well. Same thing again, we're going to do a semicircle. So push, lean on the big toe, then feet together, lean on the big toe, feet together, big toe, feet together. I actually think the insides are easier. These will really help with carving because the inside edge is exactly what you're doing here. Once you've mastered this, like the carving, a lot of the other skills will become a lot easier. So they're quite difficult, but persevere because it's absolutely worth it. And obviously you can do inside edges and outside edges backwards. So there's my outside edge. And then my inside edge. If you can master your edges, it's going to make your whole skating journey that much easier. So it's worth persevering with this skill. I'm Katie, you've been watching Skatie, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Got a bug on me. Right, just adjusting. These are... There's a bug on me. Woo! This is why I wear all the stuff, because of that, backwards.